Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you full tutorial of ElevenLabs. So let's start with pricing first so that you can understand what you get in pre-plan. Uh, so yeah, here you can see in the left side and bottom you can see upgrade option. Click on it. Currently we are using pre-plan, as here you can see this is my current plan that I'm using. In this plan I'm getting 10 credits per month, 3 studio projects, access to speech to text, sound effects, voice design, music productions, image and video. I did not get commercial license for speech and music. So if you are using this audio for your YouTube channel or any social media platform, then make sure that you have a license for this. Then the second plan is starter plan, then creator plan 968 per month, and here you can see 8,712 rupees per month. This is pro plan. Everything works on credits that you get. So if you buy starter plan, you get access to dubbing studio as well. You can clone your own voice with instant voice cloning as well, and you also get commercial license for speech and music. If you buy, then if you want to buy that license, then you can simply click here to upgrade, and you will have to pay 528 per month. Now let's start our basic tutorial of this platform. Let's go in the home tab. So once you click on home tab, here you will find these options: voices, studio, flows, files, text to speech, sound effects, image and video, voice isolator and voice changer, then music, speech to text, and many more. But all these tools are tools. Most of the tools of these work. So I will show you from the home screen what actually they use. Like here you can see the option instant speech. So if you have to generate audio or AI voice from text, then you can simply write anything here, add your script here, or you can even narrate a story here. Just describe your story and AI will automatically narrate it. You can tell them a silly joke as well. You can record an advertisement. You can speak in different language, direct dramatic movie scenes as well. Whatever you have to write, you can write. You can even record and it will directly enter or put all the written information here. So here in the right side, you can see in the setting voice. Here you can choose different voices that you get in pre-plan, like Adam, Ivana, John. There are many voices. Let me show you by playing it.
They say behind every great man is a great woman, but let's be honest. I'm usually 3 steps ahead.
So yeah, this was the voice. There are many voices for male and female. Then here you will find your own voices if you are clone anything there. Now the next platform is audiobook. If you want to create your audiobook, they can then you can use this feature audiobook. To create audiobook, make sure that you have polished script of the audiobook. Make sure that all the punctuation marks are right so that AI will speak as like human. And to generate audiobook, you have to click here on create audiobook. Here you can directly upload your PPT or PDF or whatever document you have about your script. You can also import from URL as well. Then yeah, here you can choose voices that you want to use for your audiobook. Here you can auto assign voices as well. If in the script there are two or three male or female, then you can auto assign voices for each character. Then you can click here on create audiobook. It will automatically create audiobook for you. Now, next feature is image and video. Let's see what this features gives us. So here in this feature, you can voice clone, you can convert your video ratio into other video ratios. You can improve your quality as well here. You have the simple you can even change video style by describing whatever you have to change in your video. You can show them timeline. So basically, if you don't want to edit anything, you want to change voice in the video, you can simply paste your video here, and yeah, AI will do their work. This was the option about video. You can merge two videos as well here. So in the image, you can simply add an image and describe your image or reference by using whatever you have, and it can change the image style or whatever you want to change in the image. Then our next option is 11 agents. So here in the agents, you get templates, different templates like customer support, language practice, inbound lead qualifier, front desk recipient. So if you don't have a time and want to automate all your work, then you can use this feature agents. As you can see, they have used this template, and first agents will identify issue, open warmly. Hey, this is Jamia from support. What can I help you with today? Then the caller has technical issue. Whatever issue has, that will uh, tell us, like here you can see in the troubleshoot. Methodical troubleshooting, purpose one concrete first step. And here account and billing, and a problem will resolve and escalate to the end product. This way you can use agents. So here are different templates as well for education. Also here you can see the templates. You can simply click on the templates, and so it is not in the pre-plan, that's why it is not opening. But if you are running a business or any big YouTube channel, and if you are using it consistently, then you should definitely use this agent platform. Let's see next feature. So the next feature is music. You can even generate your music here. As you can see, to generate music, we have to click there. Simply click here and describe whatever music you want to create. And this is, I think, what how many variants you have to make of that music, you can choose here, like one, two, three, or whatever you have to click. You can select track, then other things related to music, and you can fine tune that music as well. You get 900 credits per minute. So you will have to spend 900 credits per minute to generate that music. So yeah, this is how this music platform works. You can generate chili, travel, gaming, holidays, whatever music you have to create. And then simply describe, and music will be ready. It is that easy. Then the next feature here, you can see dub video, which is very important feature. I truly love this feature, dubbing. Sometimes what happens, you have to show your video to different region peoples. Suppose you are from Australia and you are speaking Australian language, and people from other countries like India don't understand Australian language. So in that situation, you can use dubbing. You can create separate channels and you can dub your original video into that language and you can post for them separately. This way you can use this platform dubbing. So if you want to know more about dubbing, here you can see this video, click here. You can import YouTube videos for dub as well, and to create dubbing you have to click here on create a dub. uh, you can simply share a link or YouTube video or upload a video up to 45 minutes. You can upload audio as well and it will automatically detect language and number of speakers. If you want to dub a specific timeline, then you can select a timeline of that video and click here to dub. It will dub automatically. Then next feature, let's understand how the next feature works. Then here you can see create or clone a voice. You can even design your new voice. If you have to create new voice that is in your mind, you can simply describe the voice in the prompt box and click here to generate a voice and it will automatically create a new voice. Then the next feature that has is you can see this feature clone your voice. So you can create a realistic digital clone of your voice. What you have to do is you will have to clone your voice within only 10 seconds of audio. So you have to upload your 10 seconds of audio and it will automatically generate your clone. You can even upload your video as well. Then you can, as I already described this option video design here, but to use this platform you will have to subscribe their plan. You can also remix your voice in the existing voice as well. So yeah, all these features it offers in dubbing Antonio. You can even isolate a voice. Here you can see this option voice isolator. Click here on voice isolator, drop a file here and it will automatically isolate voice that you want to isolate. Then you can change here voice as well, upload your file here or audio track here and it will change the voice. We can select here voice for alternate or replace that original voice. Simply click here and select voice from explore. There are different free voices available. You can choose any one of them. Then in the music, as I already told you, yeah, all the features I have already discussed. In the sound effects, you can create sound effects as well. What's named sound effects, loop your effect, generate a high quality format, save your favorite sound effects. Many more things are available in sound effects. You can use that. It is also not free, guys. Simply you have to describe sound and it will create whatever in your mind going. You can simply describe here and it will generate a uh, sound effect that you can use to edit your videos. So yeah, this is how this platform works. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.